Now, whether it's Earth Day, like today, or spring cleaning, or maybe you just want to get rid of the junk around your home, but you don't want it to end up in a landfill. Well, that's where 1-800-GOT-JUNK comes in. Take a look. Well, it's finally here. Earth Day is here. You've heard about Earth Day. You've heard about spring cleaning. Those kind of seem like limited times, a day, a season. This is something we can do all year round to help our planet, and 1-800-GOT-JUNK is here to help. Hi, Matt.
How's it going?
I'm well. Happy Earth Day.
Happy Earth Day.
And it's really kind of what you do. You help the Earth by taking things that might end up in a landfill and make sure they don't end up in a landfill. Tell us how you do that.
That's exactly right. So the basic process is 2 guys show up on site. We'll take a look at everything that you have. We'll give you an estimate before they start. And then once that gets going, then we'll load the truck up. We'll load it in such a way to put the metal and the donations and things in a certain order. And then we'll get the truck back to the shop. And then we'll go through it all. Where the metal is going to go to the metal recycler. The tire is going to go there. And essentially we're going to sort through everything and try to get as much of those items back into the community as much as possible.
And today might be the perfect day to get rid of one of these. All right, if you have an older appliance that is not energy efficient, boy, you could save yourself some money, save yourself the use of energy by switching, right?
Exactly. I mean, these appliances, huge upgrades have been made over time. We have smart appliances, the whole 9 yards. So really and truly, now is the time. Today is the day on Earth Day to make that switch. Everybody has, that old refrigerator in the garage from, who knows when. That thing is sucking up a lot of energy. So you'll actually save money by replacing that one and putting in an energy efficient one.
I actually have the fridge you're talking about in my garage. Today could be the day to get rid of that thing and switch over to something more energy efficient. And you can start if you can't afford it right now, you're not in a position for an appliance, you can start as simple as a light bulb, right?
Exactly. Small things, right? Like energy efficient bulbs are huge. Turning off the faucet when you're brushing your teeth. All those little things, it turns into your lifestyle and how you're operating every single day, which just adds to keeping the Earth a nice, beautiful place.
And that's what we're all about today, especially today. But let's make this year round. You can call 1-800-GOT-JUNK any day of the year, but one man's trash is another man's treasure. It doesn't always go to the recycling. Sometimes it gets reused in the community, right?
Exactly. That's what you see here is everything that you bring back is that we have a purpose and we have a place for this stuff, really. So that's like the most fun about the business is that we get to go in people's homes every single day. They're relieved to get that space back in their home. They get to do something new with that space. And then we get the cool stuff and we get to find other homes and other places to then put those items. So it's a lot of fun, really.
And Matt, let's make this really simple for those watching right now. What can't they give away, and how much work are they going to have to do piling everything up for you?
Most common question we get asked is, what do we have to do to have you guys come over? Really, the answer is, don't do anything. Really just let us know what you want to be removed, and then the guys will right there in the spot make sure to get those items out. So you don't need to touch anything, we'll do it for you. And the best way to do it is really just to call the 1-800 number or book online at 1-800-GOT-JUNK.com.
That's perfect. You don't have to lift a finger other than the ones you're going to use on your phone, obviously. And then what can't I get rid of? Do you take everything, or are there limits here?
Yeah, we will literally take just about anything. The only stuff that we can't take are hazardous chemicals such as oil and gas. But other than that, we will take just about anything you can think of.
Paint cans?
Paint cans we can take.
Oh, there you go. I got a few of those from a previous homeowner in my storage downstairs.
Everybody does.
Right, don't we all? So you'll take that as well. Boy, that's something I just learned right now because I've been wondering what to do with that stuff. 1-800-GOT-JUNK. They want to keep the stuff out of landfill, and they do that by recycling and reusing a majority of what you send them. So I said they could call you any day of the week. What are your store hours and days?
So our call center is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So you can call that number anytime. We open at 7:30 in the morning, Monday through Saturday, and 9 o'clock on Sundays, open 7 days a week until 7 p.m.
Well, don't make it just for Earth Day or just for your spring cleaning. This is something we can do all year round. Give 1-800-GOT-JUNK a call. Now I know where I'm taking all those old paint cans in my storage. Hey, once more, you want to learn more, you can head to 1-800-GOT-JUNK.com or just give their 24/7 customer service line a call at 1-855-962-5556 with any questions.